Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the season quest and get rewards in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to find the season quest, you can click on the season menu. Okay, this one, and then you can go to the quest. And here you will find mission or quest that you need to complete, and after you can complete the quest you will get rewards, and one of the rewards is the season tokens. And I'm going to claim my reward. I'm going to claim it guys. Okay, and I got the season tokens, 75 season tokens, and I got this one as well, the XP bottle. And okay, and I need to complete the hard quest or hard mission, open 19 card packs. And yeah, you can try to complete it and get your rewards. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the season quest and get rewards in Plants vs Brainrot game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!